I'm Jason, the world is yours, and this is how to deposit Bitcoin on Bovada using CashApp. Okay, so it is currently 7:31 p.m. We're gonna see how long this process takes. It's basically like a three-step process. So I'm on the Bovada's website. I'm gonna go to my account. Obviously, I'm gonna hit the big red deposit button, and then I'm gonna go down to hit the Bitcoin button. Now it says send your Bitcoin to this address. I don't use the QR code, so I normally copy the address on Bitcoin. And then I'm gonna go over to my Cash App. I'm going to buy Bitcoin, as you can see. Bitcoin is currently trading at $19,000. I'm going to buy about 60 bucks of Bitcoin. Gonna put in my password real quick. I put my password in. I'm going to hit confirm. Okay, the purchase is done. That was simple. Now I have $58.86. I'm going to now hit this send button, and I'm going to send. I say 50. I say 305. That may be too much. Maybe let's do it in dollars, and then I will send. Let's say I'll send 50. How does this work? How do you send $50? So I'm gonna send $50, right? And then I'm gonna paste the address, right? So I don't have to hit the note, but this is the address I copied from the Bovada website. Hit this address, it's been confirmed. I'm gonna hit next. So I'm sending $50, it's priority. So there's a $2.13 fee. I should have like $6 left. That's a good idea. It takes less than 10 minutes. So I'm gonna take the priority, right? And then I will hit next. Okay, it says confirm withdrawal to external wallet. Confirm and send. Okay, so you initiated a withdrawal of basically $50. Okay, so this is done. Right now I have $6.73. That's gonna obviously hopefully go up with Bitcoin, or I will use it to send more money to Bovada. Now it's 7:34. We started this process about 7:32. So let's see. Okay, so far, obviously nothing's happened. We'll see how long it takes. What we should probably do right now is just take some NFL bets. I wanted to do a sweetheart teaser. On Bovada, normal teasers are 6 and 7 points, or 6 points, 7 points. You have to pay a little bit more. But Bovada offers a 12-team sweetheart teaser for up to 13 points. So we're just gonna put down a little bit of money on a sweetheart teaser of up to 13 points. I'm gonna take the Rams plus 13, so that's be like plus 15. I will take I think the Panthers, right? I feel like the Colts could win this game. That should be easy money. Jacksonville Jaguars, I feel like they're probably gonna win this game. The New England Patriots and the Dolphins, I'm gonna stay away from that game. I will take the Saints. I like the Saints. I like the Eagles. I like the Bengals. 49ers and Bears, I'm going to stay away from. Packers and Vikings, I'm going to stay away from. Chiefs, I like the Chiefs. I'll add 13 points there. I like the Las Vegas Raiders at 13 points of that total. The Tennessee Titans, I will take 13 points there. And Tampa Bay Buccaneers, I'm going to add 13 points, make them an underdog. Tampa Bay, that number has gone up. It actually was like 1.5 like a day ago. So I don't know what's going on there. But the Tampa Bay versus Dallas Cowboys line is now moving towards the Tampa Bay Bucks. Should I take the Broncos on the road? That's a tough. I'm surprised the Broncos are favorites by 6.5. Okay, there you go. You see? So 49.98, 737. Process took about 5 minutes. Let's put in this bet so you can see that it's real. Everything went through. As I said, it's a sweetheart teaser. So I'm going to take the 13 points. And as you can see, I'm going to take the Broncos to +6, Tampa Bay +10.5. Excuse me, Broncos +6.5, Tampa Bay +10.5. Las Vegas Raiders +16.5, Kansas City +7, Tennessee Titans +7.5, Jacksonville Jaguars +15.5, Indianapolis Colts +6, Carolina Panthers +11.5, Philadelphia Eagles +9, Cincinnati Bengals +6.5. I wish that was 7, right? What if they lose by 7? Oh my goodness. New Orleans Saints +7.5, and the Los Angeles Rams, Super Bowl champions, +15.5 points at home, right? As I said, this is a sweetheart teaser. Bovada, I haven't seen too many other sites offer a 13-point teaser, but they do offer a 13-point teaser +400 for up to 12 teams. So I'll just throw in a little quick $3 bet just to show you that the whole thing went through and everything is copacetic. There it goes. So boom, right? The entire process took 6 minutes, right? 6 minutes from when we started this video, and then we threw in just a quick $3 bet, plus 13-point teaser. So we bet $3 to win $12, plus $400, plus 400 teaser. But that's how you deposit money on. That's how you deposit Bitcoin on Bovada using the Cash App. Obviously, I'm going to spend the rest of the night betting all of this money. We're going to have a little bit of fun tonight. But yeah, so the process, as you can see, took 6 minutes total, right? Very simple process. I've never had a problem. It's basically a 3-step process. You go to deposit, right? You hit the Bitcoin. You copy the Bitcoin address. You put the Bitcoin, you buy the Bitcoin on Cash App, and then you send the Bitcoin that you purchased to this address down here. And if you do priority, it takes basically 6 minutes total. I am Jason. The world is yours. Today we're going over how to deposit Bitcoin on Bovada using the Cash App. Thank you for watching. 6 minute, 7 minute process total. Thank you for watching.